Welcome back to another episode of Cars with My Kid. I am Edwin, and you are?
Victoria.
Ah, come on, talk normal.
Victoria.
There we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, so today we're changing the headlights. You know where the headlights are? Yeah, there we go.
So we're gonna unscrew it so we can put the new ones.
Yeah, you want to see the new ones?
Huh?
You want to see the new ones?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open it up. We got this little baby from, where did we get it? Amazon, there we go. I'll try to put a link in the description and stuff. Let's see, I think we opened them up already. Yeah, it's already cut up and open. Here, take that one out.
And you will see this episode.
Ooh.
Let me take out these.
Take out the whole thing. Here.
Okay.
Here, take the plastic off. Ooh, there you go. It's the black housing too, you can kind of tell-ish. Alright, let's put it back in the bag.
Okay, let me put it like oh wow, that's
So you got the other box. Let's see, open it up. Come on. Where are you going?
I know that's my pin.
Oh, okay, so this you can tell it's already the side. Here, pull the plastic off. Ooh, it's all black, right? See all the blackness? So we got two of those and two of those. There's 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's put it on, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
First we unscrew. First we need a screw.
Yeah. There's a little screw on the sides. There you go. It's a screwdriver, and go ahead, take it off. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, keep going that way. So while she does that, I'm gonna take off the top. The flash heat shield, whatever thing, to get access to the back of it, of the actual headlight. Yeah, so now that the screw's out, try to pull it out. Yeah, I can't take it out because there's another bolt in there. I don't know if you can see it. That one right there. So we gotta take that out. So we can take this out and then we'll figure this out. Alright? So the bolt that was right down there was a 7/16. And it was right here, so that whole thing came out. So just pop this out. We don't need that. Unhook that, and that's it. Let me see it. Turn around. Yeah, that's it. It's off. You can tell it has a hole on the bottom right there for the, what's it called? Flashers, strobes. Yeah, but there's no other wiring, so that's basically it. No.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, okay. So like you can see, we took it off already because the 3 points, look right here, 1, 2, and I think it was here, 3. Those things to adjust the headlight. As you can see on the other one, where'd it go? It's right here. This one. See, it's 1, 2, and 3, but they're adjustable. You gotta take out the little plastic thing, but the middle part spins too. And that thing sucks. So what we did, or what I did, I tried loosening it from up here. See if you can loosen that. Can you see that? Right there? This one? Can you see that? Yeah? No? Oh, we just broke it off. That's it. Yeah, so we just put this back on. It was just twisting it off, pushing it in. That's it. Yeah, we took it out of that one. There's that. And then up here, we're good. So we'll just plug in the lights, make sure they work. 1. And I got an extra one. Ooh. Let's see. This one was here. Let me just take off the bolt. Hopefully I don't break it.
Never
Here, I'll
mind.
just put this one in. It should fit. Yeah, that's it.
And you're all
So it's all plugged in. Hold on. Wait. So it's plugged in. Let me turn on the lights really quick, okay?
so if it works.
Yeah, let's see how it flips. Ooh, it does work.
It did it.
Yeah, so we're good. So we'll just plug in the other side. And
Wait, it did it on this one too.
oh yeah, they both turn on. Well, let me see what's the difference. That one looks yellowish, and this one looks a lot clear-ish. because it's not as hazy how they used to be before like that. So that's a lot better, way better than that. So we'll do the other side and hopefully it's all good. So it turns out that the back of the headlight has these little adjuster things, which is where it mounts to. I'm all struggling over here with this thing, and then out of nowhere I just happen to pull it up and the little bracket comes out. I didn't know that. Made it so much easier. Look at that. Now I got both. It would have made the headlight come out a lot easier. I didn't have to break it. Now we know, right?
Yep.
We don't have to break anything.
Yep.
Well, at least not on purpose. Alright. Yeah, let's keep going. Alright, now I figured out how it actually works to get this off. All it is, you just... Hold on, I don't want to put this on the battery. That would suck. These two little slider things, I don't know if you could see them. No, oh, this one you can see. There's two of them. They just go straight up. That's it. This one has one. The other one has two. Put that there. Let me grab the other one. It's really... There it is. That's it. See, it has two. And then the light should just easily just pop out. That's it. Just like that. Unhook the bulbs. I'm sure they're still good. And that's it. Voila. That thing took a while. Looks nice now, but this is a lot faster. It took what? I'm looking at the camera, a minute. Now we know if you ever need your headlights done, it takes less than a minute. Alright. We'll show you before and after. Alright, so we got the last screw in. It's a little not too aligned. I'm pretty sure because of the accident it was in before. See? Put the whole finger under there. But it's not too bad. Might have to change this piece. Goes around the headlights and the grill. Or maybe the actual bumper. What are you doing? It's okay. So we'll just turn them on. Turn that on. Okay, they're pretty straight. It's not too bad. Got the side, the front, the blinker, the grill. Same thing over here. Well, everything's on. It fit pretty okay. Might need to wax them a little bit just so we can give a better life out of them. But it's not too bad. Right? Did a good job, right? Mm-hmm. High five. Okay. Alright. Oh man. But yeah, that's it. Where are you? What? Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm trying to...
You trying to open the window? The wrong window. Just don't put it in drive, okay? So we got the new headlights in. It came out pretty nice actually. They're a little uneven like I said earlier, but I think it's because of the accident it was in before. The push car was dented, like you can see here. It still has a mean old dent right there, but it's good enough. Like, just to wiggle it around, see that? Maybe put it up or something. Yeah, it still worked. Let me try to turn it on. Can you turn the lights on? There you go. You got it on. Turn it on. Turn the lights all the way. Yeah, so the side looks good. Those look good. And those look good. It looks pretty good actually. So that's it. See you on the next one, and like, subscribe. Good stuff. Bye. Where are you going?
Now I'm just going on the beach.
The beach? Okay, say bye.